Alright, good morning everybody. We're back on the YouTube channel here, and we're back with the boat. It's been a little while since I've seen you guys last, and we finally figured out how to charge the battery on the camera. So, well, hopefully we're going to get some good video today. But I've got a few exciting projects, and I wanted to share them with you guys. So, I got the camera set up, and I got the boat ready here in the background. So I kind of walked you guys through the basic setup of the boat initially when we got it. Motor, basic fishing finder, basically a live well. Not a whole lot of excitement. Now, we're gonna bring in a couple things that are pretty imperative for the boat. And I went to my favorite place, as you may or may not be able to tell from Cabela's hat on that I got on. We've been there a couple times. We've been to basically every store in Wisconsin and Illinois and Indiana, feels like, in the last couple days. Kind of going through the gamut and getting all the stuff. So we started a little bit of the fish finder installation video. I have more work to do on that. I have more parts coming. It's going to be a project. I did get a new adapter of a mount, so we're gonna put that into the boat today. But the other two big things, I got the Minn Kota Endura Max 50. This should be good enough for the boat based on my calculations on what we're gonna need for the size of the boat and for what we're looking to do. This is a transom mount, so it's gonna go in the back, which is not perfect, but it's good for my boat. We're gonna see how everything lines up. It'll be nice and close to the battery. We have to get an additional deep cycle battery we're gonna wire up just for the trolling motor. Figure out how we're gonna have some kind of a charging system for it that doesn't allow one of the batteries to go dead. And then I also have something else for landing the boat. I have these short bunk guidons. So the trailer that I have right now just has straight bunks on it, and getting the boat lined up with a tiller on it sometimes can be difficult. So we're gonna put those on the trailer too. And as you see, I already got one rod holder in the boat. I got another rod holder. We're gonna put that position in the boat. And once we're all done getting all this stuff set up, hopefully we'll get the boat out in the water today, go do some fishing, and we'll be back at you guys later on.